How's it going, everybody? Alex here with Patrick Cadillac. Today, we're gonna do some quick tips. I'm gonna show you some quick features on this beautiful Cadillac Escalade behind me. Let's get into it. How's it going, you guys? So first things first, we're inside this Escalade here. There is so much room in here. Like, I kid you not, like this seat is all the way back. Like my feet don't go all the way to the to the pedals. Let me go all the way forward. And now my feet are at the pedals. That's crazy. So real quick, I wanted to show you guys how the Bluetooth works in this beautiful 55-inch curved OLED touchscreen display. So when you're here on the screen, this beautiful 55-inch OLED touchscreen smart display here, there's a little thing that says Apple CarPlay right there. You notice it'll be grayed out, so you gotta click on it. This screen will pop up, no Apple CarPlay, phone connected. So you'll go pair phone, open your Bluetooth settings. We'll go turn my Bluetooth on here, search for Cadillac 1108, which is exactly what it says on the screen there. Select Cadillac 1108, select that. Pairing request, make sure that that matches on the screen there, and it does. Click pair, click pair. We can allow our contacts to sync if you want to, but we're going to don't allow right now. Pairing request, and now your phone is connected to Apple CarPlay. Once you press connect, this will pop up. It'll give you a terms of use. You can click enable, or just waiting for Apple CarPlay to connect as well on the phone. There you go. So to enable CarPlay, we got to enable Siri in the settings on our phone, but we don't have to get into that. It'll be pretty similar to if you have an Android, but yeah, that's pretty standard on the models right now, and that's how you connect your phone to CarPlay.